Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Simply Jade 101. So in this video today, I'm going to be demoing some new products that I got from Urban Hydration. And this is kind of a different video for me because I am testing out something that I don't think I've ever done. If I have, it wasn't anything memorable. So I'm going to be doing, as you can see from the title, a one product wash and go. And I'm using a cream product. So I'm excited to see how this is gonna come out. I've already used this cream on a twist out and I really liked it for that. But you know, wash and goes are a whole nother ballgame. So my hair, I'm starting on a super duper old style. As you can see, like it is, well, I don't know if the camera is picking it up well, but it is dry, like dusty dry. I'm excited to see how these products will help to transform my hair from the state that it's in now. So I'm gonna start off with their honey, argan oil, and sweet vanilla bean extract health and repair shampoo. And then the same thing for the conditioner. They're clearly from the same line. And then I'm gonna go in with the Health and Repair Style Cream from the same line. My hair, I'm still dealing with postpartum shedding. It's not too crazy, but it is annoying. And for that reason, I haven't been doing wet styles like wash and goes or twist outs on wet hair because it makes my hair tangle more. Because I feel like my shedding is getting a little better, then I'm going to do this wash and go. So, whew, my hair is so tangled too. And when you have tangled hair and postpartum shedding, it makes it so much harder to do your hair because you're having to detangle tangled hair on top of hair that has shed and gotten caught up in those tangles. So I really need to be gentle with my hair. So stay tuned. y'all. So these are my final results from using the Urban Hydration Honey, Argan Oil, and Sweet Vanilla Bean Extract Health and Repair Styling Cream. So this is my third time using this product, 2 times for a wash and go, 1 time for a twist out, and I love it for a wash and go. Not a fan of it for a twist out, or at least the way I used it. I didn't really like it, but here is what I have left. Pretty much nothing. And I have to say that after using this a few times, I really like the results for a 1 product wash and go. If you're the type that doesn't want to use gel for a wash and go, then this is a good product to start with, to start experimenting with, because it's thick enough to weigh your hair down where it doesn't poof up, but it has enough of a styling agent to hold your curls and to give you that defined wash and go without gel. So the benefit of using a product like this with no gel is that your hair, you can it's easier to moisturize throughout the week, because let's say on day 4 you need to re-moisturize your hair. It doesn't have to break through the barrier of gel in order to actually moisturize your hair. It's only going through a cream. So I love it for that reason. In the summertime, if you're doing wash and goes more often, then it's definitely better that you use 1 product such as a styling cream, because like let's say if you're co-washing, you don't have to use a strong cleaning agent like a shampoo if you are washing more often, but you need something like a shampoo to get gel out. So that's another reason why I love this styling cream. A trick to doing a 1 product wash and go with a cream is you want to use a lot of water and you want to use a lot of product. Another benefit to using a cream as opposed to a gel for a wash and go is the drying time. Your hair dries in less time when you use cream versus gel. Gel, you'll probably have to sit under the dryer for a lot longer, or air dry if that's your thing. It's not my thing because it takes way too long. But using a cream, your hair dries a lot faster because your hair, the moisture in your hair is able to evaporate a lot faster than if you were using a gel. So that is another plus, I would think, because a lot of naturals complain about how long it takes for our hair to dry. So if you're looking for something quick and easy that gives you volume, that gives you definition, and that cuts your drying time, then you definitely want to look at trying out different cream-based stylers for your wash and go. And this one is a great one to start with because of its thickness and because it's able to hold your hair, unlike if you were to use like a leave-in conditioner by itself. But I'll give you a close-up. You can see how defined these curls are without using any gel. So this is actually going to start a new series on my channel where I want to try different, I want to try a wash and go using different products without using a gel, just to test out the longevity of the product. So I highly suggest the Urban Hydration Styling Cream. The shampoo and conditioner are okay, but the styling cream is bomb. As you can see, it's all gone. I don't have any more. And I will try to come back on throughout the week to show you how long a gel-less wash and go will last. Usually my process is I'll wear it out the first 2 to 3 days, and then I'll wear a middle puff or a side puff the last 2 days, and that's how I get through a week of a wash and go without having to restyle. So I'll try to hop back on throughout the week and show you how it looks. But this is my hair straight out. I sat under a hooded dryer and then I just went to bed. So this is what it looks like after I kind of fluffed it out after going to bed. But I did not stretch it as I usually do with the blow dryer. So this is pretty much it in its raw form. I barely even picked it. So I have a lot of volume for not having, from not picking it or using the blow dryer. So I would say that this gets A+ for me. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them below in the description box. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have a curl friend that's looking for suggestions on wash and goes without gel, then make sure you share this video with them. And I'll see you in my next video.